Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your LLC and file for your EIN number in North Carolina. And this whole process is going to be super fast and easy. I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time you follow along on yours. And basically, I'm going to tell you what to fill out for every single question. And I'm going to make this super cheap and also really fast and easy. So click the link in the description below and let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the Taylor Brands website, and we're going to start by clicking North Carolina. And now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. Okay. And what stage are you currently in? Just select whatever applies for you. And now the industry you fall into. So basically, like, what category is your business? So I'm going to type in eyelash extensions. And there we go. And are you offering either a good or a service, or maybe both of these things? Okay, and now it asks, are you planning to hire employees? If you change your mind about this question later on, it's really not a big deal. Just click where you are at the moment. And if you have a goal, financial goal for your business. Okay, so now you're going to type in your zip code for your business. So if you don't have a storefront, you can use your home address zip code that's in North Carolina. And are you serving customers online, at a shop or store, or on the go? So select all that apply here. Okay, and today I want you to click LLC, and I also want you to select EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So you will more than likely need it sometime within the first year of your business. And you can see Taylor Brands has all this other stuff. This is why I really like using Taylor Brands, is because it's kind of like a one-stop shop for everything business related. Maybe you need a license for something, a logo created, maybe you need a website, or even just the domain name. They have all of that stuff. So if you need to select anything else, feel free to do so. But for today, we're just going to click LLC and EIN. This is another survey we can skip. And you're going to click YouTube here. Okay, you guys, this is just something very cool that Taylor Brands offers you. It's a free 12-week business coaching program. There's no catch to it. It's completely free. Maybe you open it and you like it, maybe you don't. It really doesn't matter. It's just something for you that maybe you can learn something to help you make more money. So I love this, that it's there, but if you don't want to take it for any reason, just hit no thanks. And now you're going to type in your personal information. And then create a password. Okay, and I just want you to look at the very top, this blue bar up here. You can see we're already halfway done, so stick with me. Okay, so as far as getting your EIN number, if you do not want to pay $99, you can get your EIN number through the IRS website. In my personal opinion and experience, I feel like government websites are pretty outdated. They're difficult to navigate, and they really just are frustrating for me. But hopefully maybe you've had a better experience than that. So for me, it's completely worth it to have Taylor Brands file the EIN number for me for just $99. And basically me clicking this button is all I have to worry about. And as far as assigning a registered agent, now registered agent is basically a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail for your business. So if you live in North Carolina and your LLC and your business are in North Carolina, you will be your own registered agent. Now, this might not apply if you live in some other state and you're filing an LLC in North Carolina for like tax benefits, something like that. Then you would need to appoint an agent that lives in the state, in which you could pay Taylor Brands $199 to set that up for you. But like I said, most of you guys watching this video that live in the state, you will be your own registered agent. Are you sure? Yes, we're sure. Okay, and every single year, you must keep your LLC, you must renew your LLC to keep it compliant. So what happens if you forget to do that? You're going to be hit with a bunch of late fees and fines. So obviously we want to avoid that. If you think you might forget to renew it on your own, Taylor Brands can renew it for you every single year for $199. It just rolls over every year. It is a little pricey, but it's still cheaper than the late fees and fines. If you think you remember, you can click this option here and you won't have to pay anything extra today. Okay, we're just gonna hit no on a branding toolkit. And if you want your LLC in just 2 days from now, it's $49. If you don't want to pay anything, you can get it in 2 weeks from now for free. Okay, an operating agreement is basically a set of terms and rules, and it breaks down the ownership of your business. So if you have a partner or maybe multiple partners involved, you will need an operating agreement, and you can get one here for just $29. So I'd highly recommend to check this out and get one of those. If you're working by yourself and it's just you're the sole owner, you do not need an operating agreement. You can click this option here. And this is a formation kit. It's basically like a binder with all of like the accounting documents in there. I'm gonna click no because, you know, I told you guys we'd save some money, but it's good to consider if you want to be super organized right from the beginning. And yes, let's get notified about our LLC. Okay, so Taylor Brands offers 3 different plans. Feel free to read what they have to offer depending on what your business requires and what you're looking for. These other plans, some of them can create a website for you, which is included. They can create a logo, things like that. But for today, we're just gonna click this light plan here for LLC. Okay, so here's what we're paying for today. So the North Carolina state filing fee is $128, and that's just the mandated state filing fee. No matter how or where you file your LLC, it's always going to be that price. Then we're getting that free coaching program, and we're paying for that 2-day filing fee. Again, if you change your mind and you want to save some more money, you can just unclick that there, which will be our grand total for today. Now, within about a week or 2 weeks, then you'll be charged the EIN number. So first they'll file the LLC, and then a little bit later they'll file for the EIN. So when you see that second charge come through, just know it's that. All right, so then we go on to our credit card payment. After you make the payment, it's gonna ask you again what address you wanna use. If you have a storefront, I would recommend to use that address to receive any mail or anything regarding your LLC. If you don't have a storefront, like I mentioned, I always use my home address, and I've never had issues with junk mail or spam. It's literally just for them to have on file in case they need something from you about your LLC. And if for some reason you're not comfortable with that, just do a quick Google search and you can see how to get like a virtual address. That works too. But that's it, you guys. You just filed your LLC and your EIN number. I hope this was easy to follow along, but if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below. More than happy to answer. Yeah, I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.